Hello everyone, hope so you're doing well, and in this quick fix I will show you how you can fix TikTok application not working problem on your Android mobile. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new on this channel. So if you're facing TikTok app not working or TikTok app audio problem on your Android mobile, simply first of all just go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. This will fix your problem. After following all these steps, just restart your mobile and this will fix your problem. Also don't forget to subscribe Team SS channel. Thank you for watching.